describe the action is Captain Nick Tyson from the Bulldogs, and well, I'm glad you made it up here, Nick. Looks like we got an aircraft spooling up, gonna take off big time.
Good afternoon, Rob. Who you see in front of you is Major Jim, call sign Buzz Tanis, from the AV-8B Harrier II Bulldogs. That particular maneuver allows us to get airborne in as little as 200 feet.
That's really a short takeoff, because the aircraft can weigh what? How much fully loaded?
Our maximum takeoff weight is 32,000 pounds. Empty weight of the aircraft is 16,000. We can almost double the weight of the aircraft with ordnance and fuel.
And still take off at a couple of hundred feet?
Absolutely.
That's phenomenal.
Major Tanis accelerated away from the center of the air show there. You see him speed up into a high-speed pass right over the middle of the air show. Show you that extreme power that's in the Pegasus engine. They'll fly by. This is not what makes this aircraft unique. It's awesome to watch it come by, but when he comes back by for the second time, he's going to start slowing down and really show you what this airplane's all about.
So this is called the high-speed pass, right?
That is AV-8B Harrier high-speed pass. What you might notice on the wings there, it looks like he's carrying something underneath the wings. Those are actually weapons pylons. We can carry 6 oars from left to right, and an additional one underneath the center line of the aircraft.
Okay, so what can you hang on it? I mean, the aircraft is designed to protect the troops on the ground, so what would you typically hang on it?
As an attack aircraft, we can carry any number of different bombs up to 1,000 pounds, GPS guided, laser guided, we can carry rockets, we can carry air-to-ground missiles, and we've got a 25mm Gatling gun underneath the aircraft as well.
Wow, okay, he's coming in from the right, Nick. What's he going to do now?
As he approaches from the right, you'll notice that his gears come down, and you'll see the flaps start programming further and further down to about 62 degrees, way more than a typical aircraft will have. That's going to slow him down, and he's going to start slowly feeding those nozzles in 82 degrees, straight vertical, since the engine and the aircraft is off just a little bit. And just keep slowing down. You hear him just then, as you start to lose lift over the wings, the entire aircraft is now supported. the aircraft around that support the weight of the aircraft, but what actually gives them that maneuverability on each wingtip, underneath the nose, into the tail of the aircraft is a reaction control system. We take engine bleed air off the engine, duct it through the aircraft, and shoot it out the tips, the nose, the tail of the aircraft, much like a space shuttle.
So he's got little, like, blows some air, makes it go one way, blows some air, makes it go the other way.
Absolutely. If we were a little closer, you might be able to hear those little bursts of gas as they come out of the aircraft.
Wow. Now what's he doing now? Just cooling down?
Allowing the engine to cool itself down. Gets it back some temperature, about 780 degrees Celsius in there right now.
Oh my gosh, that's, let's see, 714, that's 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit.
It's pretty warm, absolutely. So after just a moment of letting the aircraft cool, the engine cool down, get that maximum performance out of it, what it'll do is perform a vertical takeoff. From a standstill, it's straight up airborne.
Wow. Weighing in at 16,000 pounds. Now, we look at those big intakes, and you said that, well, he's going to spool up now. I think he's getting ready. It's going to be too noisy to talk, so we'll just watch. Once again, Major Jim Buzz Tanis from VMA 223, the Bulldogs at Marine Corps Air Station Cherry Point. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen.
Down to about 20 knots or so. We're looking at today about 60, about a 6 meters of Cessna. Just showing you how to offer something small as a two-lane room. So all steer side, you can set it down. Two eyes.
Yeah, okay, the question was asked, and you responded to a question that was being asked by one of our air show performers from other air shows, Jane Wicker, Wing Walker. She said, what was the movie they used the Harrier in? And that was
True Lies over Schwarzenegger. As a matter of fact, that was our squadron, VMA 223, that helped film that movie.
So you guys are movie stars?
Not us particularly, but the squadron.
I'm not worthy. We'll check you out on the IMDb for sure. Well, I tell you what, he's down on the ground, ladies.